Alright people, let's do a little test run for the elevator Montour Heights Country Club. Alright, now let's go up to 2. Oh! Thought we were barely going. Okay, next, 3. Okay, I don't know why we're not going. Alright, that's on the 3rd floor. 1. Alright, are we stuck? Okay, never mind. Just got finished from that golf outing. Hey, you want to see? Okay, we're on the 1st floor and we are going back to the basement. Every time I try to press a button, it takes a delayed start. Other than this, it's a very nice old elevator. Alright, we're back in the basement. It's gonna be hard for me to carry all my change of clothes from all this. Get me in the background. Alright.